So hi guys, I'm Hassan and today I'm going to tell you how to make a house in Coder.org. At this episode, let's get started. First we'll open your browser and browser you're having. Then type the Coder.org. Then go on create button, click artist and you will appear. And this screen will appear on your screen. Take one jump backward block. Jump backward by 100 pixels. Then go in functions, take draw house block, go in variables, go in math, take first block from there and set length as 200. See, our house is done. Take one jump forward block, jump forward by 100 pixels, 100 pixels, jump forward by. Now take turn right block, turn right by 90 degrees, turn left by 90 degrees, turn right by 90 degrees, take jump forward block, jump forward by 200 pixels, no, jump forward by only 100, only 150 pixels, not 150, not 100 pixels, 100 also. Jump forward is 80 pixels. Yes, it's done. Take one, then go again in functions. Take draw a circle. Again go in math. Take first block from there and set circle radius as 10. And the circle is done and set the jump forward here as 90. 90 is also less than 30. This is 100. Jump forward. We want that it should be little bit here. So jump forward by 120 pixels. No, 100 not 105. Only 15 pixels. So that is 112 pixels. 111 pixels. This is 111 pixels. Is okay, or 10 is okay. Set jump forward as 80 pixels. Okay guys, jump forward as 80 pixels. It's looking great. Then take go in actions. Go in action, take jump backward block, jump backward by 200. 200 not 250 pixels. Guys, 250 pixels is okay. Now we want move backward by I think so 50 pixels if the whole is yes. Move backward by 50 pixels. Turn and take go actions and take turn block. Turn left by 90 degrees. Then take move forward by 30 pixels. Move forward by 30 pixels. Move forward by 30 pixels. Then take turn right by 90 degrees. Turn right by 90 degrees. Then move forward by 30 pixels. It will be 30. Let's move forward by 50 pixels. It is. Let's move forward by 50 pixels. It's okay. Then go in actions. Take turn left by 90 degrees. No, turn right as 90 degrees. Turn right as 90 degrees. Move forward by 30 pixels. Move forward by 30 pixels. See, our house is done, door is done. Now we want to windows here. Guys, start making windows. Take jump. Take first full going action. Take turn left from there. Turn left by 90 degrees. Take turn left by 90 degrees. You guys then go in actions. Take jump. Jump forward by, it will be 100 pixels. To there it is 100 now, it will be 50 pixels. 50 is also less. 80 is 80 is okay. Take turn right. Turn right. Turn right by 90 degrees. Turn right by 90 degrees. Jump forward by 50 pixels. Jump forward by 50 pixels. Then take, then again go on functions, streak, draw square block, go in math, again take first block from there and set square length as, I think so it will be 10 or 10 less, set it as 30, as 30 is okay, and take jump backward, jump backward by 100 pixels. Okay guys, so by 100 pixels, 100 pixels is again now, so it's less, set it as 120 pixels, backward, again take, go in functions, take draw a square, then go in math, again take first block from there, and set length as, here length is 30, so here also window will be same 30, and here jump backward as so much 150 pixels. Here's 150 pixels is okay guys. Now we will create here, if you want to do more creativity you can do. Now we will create here flower, guys, create here flower, take jump backward, jump backward by 90 pixels, I think so. Jump backward by 90, no 90 so much. 40, jump backward of 40. No, take it as 49. 14 is 14 is okay. No, set it as 50. 60 it will be okay. Yes, 60 is okay. Now take. Now go in. Now go in brushes. Take set color block from there. Set color as yellow. It will scroll down. Set color as yellow. I'm going functions. Take draw a star. Okay guys, draw a star. Now we want to first block of maths. Let's take 2 blocks math. Now points will be the 10 and length will be 8. Length will be 8. Little bit inside. Jump backward as, things should be 70. Okay, 70 also. So much, set is as 90. Jump backward by, yes, it's okay. Now set points as less points. Points as only 5. Points as also 8. Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Now take turn red by 90 degrees. turn to 90 degrees, then take jump forward by 90 pixels. Now do not take it as 100. It should touch that last white line, so it will be as 120. It will touch. Yes, turn right by 90 degrees again. Turn left by 90. Wait, guys, turn left by 90 degrees. Left by 90 degrees. Jump forward by 20 pixels. Jump forward by 20 pixels. Yes, it's okay. Now, one action. Turn left by 90 degrees. Turn left by 90 degrees. Turn left by 90 degrees. Set here, move forward as 15. 15. Is it okay? Go in brushes. Take set color as green. Set color as green. Then go in actions. Move forward by, I think so it will be. Move forward by 50 pixels. 50 pixels. 50 is less, set it as 80. Move forward by 80 pixels. Okay, set it as 52 pixels. Now take jump forward by 50 pixels because guys move forward by only little bit it want to touch. That's 84. Little bit more, so it is 86. Yes guys, so our house is ready with the beautiful flowers. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share on my video. So bye bye.